like yesterday. I didn't even know your name. Now today, you're always on my mind. I never could have predicted that I'd feel this way. You are a beautiful surprise, intoxicated every time I hear your voice. You got me on a natural high, almost like I didn't even have a choice. You are a beautiful surprise. Whatever it is that you came to teach me, I am here to learn here, 'cause I believe that we are written in the stars. Now I don't know what the future holds, but I'm living in the moment, and I'm thankful for the girl that you are, you are, you are. You are everything I ask for in my prayers. So I know my angels brought you to my life. Your energy is healing to my soul. You are inspiration to my life. You are the reason why I smile. You are beautiful surprise.